Hi, children. Hi, children of the Lord. How are you all doing? We thank God for His mercies today. So today is Thursday, and our first lesson is numeracy. Numeracy. Okay? So, we've been talking about soil, types of soil and gardening. Okay, so today we are going to be doing measurement. So we'll be measuring length and breadth. So measuring of length and breadth. Okay, good. Now, let's sing this song. 1, 2, buckle my shoe. Okay. 1, 2, let's go. 1, 2, buckle my shoe. 3, 4, shut the door. 5, 6, pick up sticks. 7, 8, lay them straight. 9, 10, a big fat hen. 9, 10, a big fat hen. 9, 10, a big fat hen. Okay. So, we are going to be measuring what? Length and breadth. So I'm going to give you a book as an example. But before we do the measurement, let me teach you something. Now, there are some equipments or things we can use to measure. This picture you are seeing here is a tape measure. It is mostly used by carpenters and masons. Okay, so this is a tape measure. We also have the one seamstresses use and tailors. Okay, they also use tape measures. They measure, they take our measurement and then sew our clothes for us. Good. Now, this is another measuring stick. This is a measuring stick. Okay, measuring stick. You can use it to measure, let's say, a plot of land or a wood and many more. Even human being, you can use this to measure a human being. You just open it and it will become straight. Okay, so this is a measuring stick. This is another measuring stick. Now, you can see the boy standing by it. It looks like a ruler. A measuring ruler. Okay. So the boy is measuring his height. The boy is measuring his height. Good. So, I said we are going to be talking about how to measure length and what? Breadth. Okay. So, let's look at this book carefully. Okay. Now, we are going to identify where the length is and where the breadth is. So, I believe you can see that this is the longest part of the book. This place is very long. It's longer than this place. So the longest part is the length. And the shortest part is the breadth. Okay. This is the longest part. And this is the shortest part. So the longest part is the length. And the shortest part is the breadth. This is also the length. This part, length, and this place is also what? The breadth. So you can also take a table in your home. A table that has a rectangular shape. A rectangular shape, okay? Such a table, you see that one side is long and the other side is short. So the longest side of the table is the length. and the shortest side of the table is the breadth. Okay, good. So we can also use things like our 2 fingers to measure something. Now I'm going to do it on this book for you to see. I said what? This side is what? The length. So let's measure with my finger. 1, 2. So 2 of these fingers. When I measure it, I had 2 of this size. Okay. Now let's use the same size to measure this part. 1 and half. 1 and half. Okay. So this side is longer than this side. That is why I have 2 of this and then 1 and half of this. Now we can also use our legs to measure. Okay, we can also use our legs to measure. You can use a stick, any stick, to measure a land. Okay, so you find a stick at home and measure your house, the land around your house. Okay, mommy or daddy or sister or brother will help you do that. Okay, so that you'll be able to use any stick to measure the length of the house and then the breadth of the house. Okay, or the land in the house where you've been sweeping. You can also use broom, or okay, broom can also be used. You can also use a stick to measure. Okay, and then you'll get an accurate result. Okay, so we have come to the end of this lesson. It's all about measurement. Okay, it's all about measurement. So let's take our exercise. So today, numeracy, we are drawing. Draw and color yourself measuring. Draw and color yourself measuring a bed. Okay, see you next tomorrow. Bye bye.